What's up guys, welcome back to ROMs for you. Let's look at performance review of romKTpro for our 21.7.20 running on Xiaomi POCO F1. So before getting started, if you are new here, don't forget to check out my channel for knowing more taste of my work and subscribe if you like them. I have been using this ROM from last whole day, and yeah, without any doubt, this ROM is one of the best all-rounder from romKTpro. The ROM is based upon EU-based stable MIUI 12.5 and it is upon Android 10. If you see the kernel, they are using D8G version 4.2 plus, which is of course a overclocked one. Under password and security, the ROM does has all fingerprint, IR face unlock and more. Fingerprint and IR face unlock are pretty faster, but out of the box, the ROM is not encrypted. Since it is from MIUI, all features are present and I am not going to waste time on explaining them. The Quick Access panel got latest control center and it works pretty smooth. The reset menu also includes floating window and it works well. I did check with the calling feature and the feature works great with audio recorder. Out of the box the ROM is rooted, but yeah, after hiding Majestic, safety net passes without any issue. The device is also Google Play Protect certified, so using banking applications won't be a problem with this ROM I believe. But yeah, it is still personal preference since it is rooted. Out of the box, the AnTuTu costs 3,62,000 plus and Geekbench scores for single core 506 and multi-core 1706. Here, AnTuTu scores bit higher and Geekbench did score lower. The ROM does support stock MIUI cam and the feature including slow-mo works pretty great. The new QS panel is including screen recorder, but it is not capable of internal audio and microphone recording at a time. Talking about thermal, the normal working temperature of this ROM is 30 to 35 degrees Celsius. If you game or with a standard usage, it can come up to 40 to 44 degrees Celsius. But after an hour of intense gaming or heavy work, it can come up to 50 to 54 degrees Celsius, which are pretty decent comparing with other romKTpro builds. To understand more about performance, I am adding CPU throttling test here. If you see closely, the ROM was able to keep up graphs in green and able to pull out GIPS values more than 2 lakh as average. Since CPU test is over, let's do a gaming test. I am adding few gameplay with hot drop. FPS, screen recorder are enabled. Now that the gaming is going on, let's conclude the video. To be frank, the gaming experience was decent in this ROM. The ROM was able to keep up FPS always near to 60. 40 FPS was minimum which I noticed. All special features like voice changer, MIUI cam, 90 FPS by default are available in this ROM. Actually, I am not fan of that 90 FPS, but some people did prefer it, but some not. But I personally do not prefer 90 FPS since there is a chance of getting banned. Overall, another great build from romKTpro. The build is pretty stable and smooth as it sounds. So, hope this video was helpful to you. Like and shares are always appreciated. Subscribe if you are new here. Till next time, be safe and take care.